Python's RegEx is essential for mastering regular expressions, offering powerful pattern matching for text processing. It allows for searching, splitting, and replacing text efficiently. Key functions include re.search, re.match, and re.findAll, each serving unique purposes in data manipulation. Understanding these functions enhances your ability to handle complex text data with precision. Explore Python's RegEx, a built-in library for handling regular expressions. This module empowers developers with advanced pattern matching, searching, and text manipulation capabilities. Discover how RegEx serves as a mini-language within Python, enabling precise text pattern specification without external dependencies. The RegEx is Python's built-in library for handling regular expressions, offering powerful pattern matching without external dependencies. It supports complex operations like searching, splitting, and substitution on strings. RegEx acts as a mini-language within Python, crafted for defining precise text patterns, enhancing text processing capabilities significantly. Regular expressions offer advanced capabilities beyond basic searches, allowing for complex pattern matching like email addresses and dates. They validate input formats, extract data from unstructured text, and transform text efficiently. Critical applications include data cleaning, log file analysis, web scraping, form validation, and natural language processing tasks. Import the RegEx to leverage its powerful pattern matching capabilities. Use re.search to locate specific patterns, such as dates, within text. For instance, searching 2024-03-15 in a string returns a match object, confirming the pattern's presence. This method is essential for extracting structured data from unstructured text efficiently. RegEx meta characters are essential for pattern matching. The period matches any character except new line. Caret and $anchor patterns to the start and end of strings. Quantifiers like asterisk, plus, and question mark define repetition. Character classes bracket specify sets, while the escape backslash handle special characters. RegEx meta characters are essential for pattern matching. The period matches any character except new line. Caret and $anchor patterns to the start and end of strings. Quantifiers like asterisk, plus, and question mark define repetition. Character classes square brackets specify sets, while the escape backslash handles special characters or sequences. Special sequences in RegEx enhance pattern matching. HD matches digits, AND non-digits. GW captures word characters, AW non-word. S identifies whitespace, ANS non-whitespace. \B marks word boundaries, \B non-boundaries. For instance, re.findAll open parenthesis r \D plus close parenthesis, room 42, building 7 extracts, 42, 7, and re.findAll open parenthesis r \BW curly bracket 4, \B close parenthesis. The fast cars finds fast cars. Meta characters like the dot match any single character except new line. Quantifiers such as asterisk, plus, and question mark control repetition, allowing for 0 or more, 1 or more, and 0 or 1 occurrences, respectively. Character sets, defined with brackets, specify ranges or specific characters to match, enhancing pattern flexibility. The core functions of the RE module are essential for text processing. Re.search open parenthesis locates the first pattern match, while re.findAll open parenthesis retrieves all matches. Re.findIter open parenthesis close parenthesis provides an iterator for matches, optimizing memory use. Re.split open parenthesis close parenthesis divides strings at pattern matches, aiding tokenization. Re.sub replaces matches, facilitating complex text transformations. The RE module offers key functions for pattern matching. Re.search parenthesis locates the first pattern occurrence, returning a match object. Re.findAll parenthesis lists all non-overlapping matches. Re.findIter provides an iterator for memory-efficient processing. Re.split divides strings at pattern occurrences, aiding tokenization. Re.sub replaces pattern matches, facilitating text transformation. Using re.search, we locate the first email in a text. The match object provides details. Group returns the matched email, .start, and .end give the match's start and end positions, and span offers a tuple of these positions. This is crucial for precise text analysis and extraction.